Hello everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing. Today bringing you this week's reading, that is from the 25th of October till the 31st of October. And like I always tell you, please go ahead and like my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, I am on Instagram as well as on Facebook. So please go ahead and like my channel there too. So let's begin our reading. Now this reading is from, again I'll tell you, 25th of October till the 31st of October. That will be Sunday. Then for 2nd and the Diwali festive is going to start, and it's going to be a very joyful week for everyone. So let's go ahead and at least do the readings for week of 25th October till the 31st of October. The months and the days are going by very fast, and this year is almost at the end. Like you see, it's already end of October, November, December, and 2021 is over. But at least 2021 was a little better than 2020 that we went through, and hoping that 2022 is going to be the best. All the worries and all the tension, and especially the COVID thing, just goes out of our way, and we come back to our normal life. We all wish that, and positivity from everyone will help actually the world to heal. So let's all think positive and start now with the sign of Aries. So I am going to pull 3 cards for people born under the sign Aries, and like I tell you, take this reading positively. If you don't resonate with this reading, please let it go. And stay positive, stay blessed. This reading is for people who believe in the tarot card readings, or believe in the universe, the energies. Don't try to question these energies. If you don't believe in it, like I told you, please be blessed, be positive, and move ahead. So let's start with the Aries. I have pulled 3 cards for people born under the sign of Aries. So let's see what. I'll start with finance first. I see a growth in the finance coming for Aries people this week. Definitely, it will be a little slow growth, but definitely a growth is coming, and you will see an increase in your finance. Maybe you might get that paycheck that you were waiting for, or you might get a little bit of, you can say, a raise, news of, or maybe a gift. You never know. So this week, definitely a little finance increase, opportunities coming your way. If you were looking for something new, or something new to start, or waiting for an opportunity, waiting for someone to come and tell you that there is something that you would like to do, is going to definitely come this week for you. So new opportunities coming your way, where your career is concerned, where your money is concerned, increase of course. Relationship looks fine. Of course, I also see a growth in your relationship, so something better is coming your way where your relationship is concerned. A very, you can say, a very forward moment, a very aggressive forward moment this week. You will feel that you have moved ahead, and moving ahead actually very fast and very positively. Health looks fine. Lot of excitement in air for you. Lot of happiness coming your way this week. So that's a good week for Aries people. We'll pull 3 cards for Taurus people now. Taurus people, this week is going to be also forward movement for you guys. You don't have to worry about where your career is concerned. There is a forward movement. There is a guiding hand coming to you this week to guide you to move forward. But there are chances also that you might make a slight mistake where your life is concerned, where your career is concerned, because somewhere you have shut your ears and eyes. I can say you are very I won't say that, but you are going to be a little careless in whatever you do this week. So basically what the cards are guiding you to do is open your eyes and ears and do whatever you want to do, like where your relationship is concerned, or where your career is concerned, or where your finance is concerned. Keep your eyes and ears open and move ahead in whatever direction you want to do. Also, there are a lot of people around you this week you will find who will be judging you, who might be saying what is wrong, what is right for you. You know, you might have that kind of a setback where people is going to come and tell you, oh, this is what you did was not right, or what you did, this was not good for you or good for us. So that kind of attitude is going to come from people this week, but it is not bad week for you, because definitely a growth in the relationship and career I see, but mistakes made by you need to be very, very careful. I mean to say, you have to be very, very careful and see that you don't make mistakes, and don't listen to the people who come and judge you. Just be positive and be blessed this week. Also, let's go ahead and pull 3 cards for Gemini. People born under the sign of Gemini, I see a good week coming to you, a bright week, a positive week, a confident week coming to you. Where your career is concerned, there is a moment, or there is a movement that you'll be taking that is very, very aggressive movement, forward movement, a bright moment, you can say, coming to you this week. There will be blessings coming from the universe for you guys. You know, there is an increase in finance that I'm seeing, but somewhere whatever finance is going to come to you might stop there. There might be not that much increase in your finance, but definitely increase is there. The money is showing this week. You are going to be very confident, very aggressive, very, very positive in moving forward this week. There are a lot of chances, because of this card coming, there is chances that your ego or your overconfidence also might affect you negatively this week. So just be very, very careful where your ego is concerned, and where your the speech is also concerned, because sometimes you might speak something that might hurt people around you. So relationship, be careful a little bit, because you are going to be somewhere, your ego is going to somewhere affect you this week. You might be like overconfident somewhere, but definitely a very forward movement, a very active and a positive week coming from you ahead. Also be very, very careful about people who dominate you, people who try to tell you what to do, because this week is somewhere where your energy is also on that top level. The confidence is going to be on the top level, and if someone is going to come and boss you, or come and tell you what to do, you might not like it. So just be very careful where the relationship are concerned. Career looks fine. It is a very good moment ahead for you this week, but don't be too much egoist, or don't be overconfident on whatever you do this week. Health looks fine for you. Alright, so let's go ahead and pull 3 cards for Cancer. People born under the sign Cancer. 3 cards for them. Quickly, let's see. For the people born under the sign Cancer, definitely a good week for you, where something new happening, something celebration happening your way. I see a family celebration coming your way, and something very joyful moment. Maybe you will purchase a car, or maybe purchase a house, or something new coming in your life that is going to bring you a lot of happiness and a lot of positivity this week. But with that positivity and that kind of happiness that is will be shown to you, or will be given to you, there is also some negativity with it that is coming. People are not going to be happy with your happy moments, so you just have to be careful about the negative people. They might do something that can make your you can say the enjoyment, the moment to be little troublesome kind of a thing. So definitely a growth is showing where your career is concerned, where your finance is concerned. There will be some happy moments coming to you in this week. There might be chances you have maybe signed a new contract, or maybe registered to buy a new vehicle, and the celebration, maybe a new baby coming, or maybe a new person in your life coming. So where your relationship are concerned, it is very good, because people who are trying to get married, or trying to get hooked, this is the week where you will find that joyful moment coming to you, the happy moment coming to you for the Cancer people this week. But yes, like I told you, you have to be very very careful about the people who don't see your happiness. So it is a little a little card where definitely there are people in this world who can do anything to see you suffer, kind of a thing. So just be very careful, Cancer people, to be very very protected this week from those kind of people. But definitely celebration coming your way, so a very very happy week for you. 3 cards for people born under the sign Leo. For the people born under the sign Leo, this week is going to be very good for you. Also, this is a week where whatever work you take in your hand, like if you are going to start a new business, or if you're planning to buy a new house, or anything that you take where your relationship is concerned, the blessings from the universe are there for you. You will be blessed with positivity. So whatever you start this week, it is going to go further, and it is going to be positive for you. There is no negativity coming your way. Definitely a travel is shown where you will go to meet your family, go on a vacation with them, or enjoy traveling with your family, or going somewhere to meet your near and dear ones, you can say that. Finance, yes, finance will grow, but there is a hint given in this card that you need to donate something to the needy, or the people who need something, basically. So maybe donate a blanket, or donate some food, or something to the needy people. So that way it will remove that obstacle that is coming in your finance. You will see a forward momentum in your finance. But definitely this week is a week where there is a yes for everything for you, a positivity in everything you do. So whatever you start, the universe is going to support you, and it is going to move forward. So finance, growth with the little remedy I gave you. Definitely relationship is going to grow, because you are going to make a trip especially to meet your dear ones, and you are going to meet your family. So whatever relationship you are into, it is going to grow, because you are going to meet that people. Your career is on a go, so whatever you start where your career is concerned, it is going to be positive this week. So go ahead with it. Your health looks fine too. Now we'll go ahead and do Virgo. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Virgo. So people born under the sign of Virgo, where I see your relationship this week is not good for your relationship. I see somewhere where your relationship is going to be little, with tension, or with worries, or with some kind of, you can say, a break in a relationship coming your way. So if you are married, if you are married couple, stay away from any arguments coming to you this week, because that might cause you further problems. People who are dating boyfriend, girlfriend, there are chances that there might be a major issue coming into you, and there might be a breakup. So just be very very careful about what you're talking, and something related to argument coming up. Also, where your finance is concerned, you have earned quite a bit in few weeks, and there is something like a protective shield that you want to keep on your finance. So finance, you are going to save this week. Whatever you have, you're going to do a good thing by saving it, investing it very nicely this week. So finance is okay. It is not on a growth, but yes, there is a thing where you are going to save the money that you have earned, of course. And where celebration is concerned, where your further growth is concerned, where your family is concerned, there are chances that there is going to be some kind of celebration, of course, some kind of a small party. So there will be a joyful moment where your relationship are concerned somewhere, but you have to be also very very careful that you do not mess it up by either argument or fight, or something like that may cause some problem where your relationship are concerned. So career, I don't see any problem, so it is going to be smooth this week. You have to be just little bit careful in your relationship where communication and arguments are concerned. Money, yes, you are going to do a good thing by investing the money, so of course in future it is going to grow, so that is also a good sign this week. So don't worry, health looks fine too. Just be very very careful where chest congestion is concerned, or something related to your chest basically. And I think everything else looks positive. So that's it for Virgo people. Now we'll go ahead and do Libra. So I'm going to pull 3 cards for people born under the sign Libra. For the people born under the sign Libra, yes, definitely a forward moment, a moment where you are going to be blessed with good relationship. There are people who are going to come to you. You might make new friends this week. So that is that kind of card that has come, where whatever relationship or whatever new people you meet in this week, there is a bond that is going to be created with you, a long-term relationship, you can say, where it's concerned. But where your work is concerned, where your career is concerned, this week also you're going to take a lot of burden. You have to figure out how to not take this burden, because that might affect your health in future somewhere. So yes, where your career is concerned, where your work is concerned, don't take too much burden. Try to be easy on yourself. Where your relationship are concerned, I said the people whom you are going to meet, you will be friends with them, a long-term friend. But somewhere the relationship that you are already handling, or if you are married, or if you are already in a relationship kind of a thing, there are chances that there is some kind of setback coming to you where your relationship is concerned. There might not be enough communication, there might not be enough affection, love that this week will show you where your relationship are concerned. But definitely there is a growth in a relationship, because somewhere you are going to make new relationship that is going to be long term. Also, where your life is concerned, there is a person coming in your life that I see who is going to be a helping hand for you this week. So any person who is your boss or who is your father, grandfather, is going to be a really help to you this week to push you ahead where your career is concerned. So where your health is concerned, I'll say just don't take too much burden, because that might cause you some health problems ahead in your life. So just take it easy and don't take too much burden. Relationship looks fine, because you are going to build new relationship this week, but just be very careful with the old relationship. Try to get some positivity in that relationship, so that the setback and the sadness doesn't come with those relationships. Where your money is concerned, the money is shows normal growth. There is nothing too much or too less where your finance is concerned. So now we'll go ahead and do 3 cards for Scorpio. 3 cards for people born under the sign Scorpio. People born under the sign of Scorpio, you are, where your relationship are concerned, you are going to go meet your love and dear ones, plus you are going to meet your grandparents, people, joint family, a lot of people around you, like grandparents, and uncle, auntie, all of you. So that kind of relationship is going to make you happy this week. In fact, you are going to meet everyone. But also there are some kind of confusion where your career is concerned is going to come your way, where you will be little worried or little confused to decide on what to do and what not to do where your career is concerned. So take it easy, meditate, and then take a decision where your career is concerned. Also, there are chances, whatever papers or whatever any new contract you sign, be very, very careful this week, because there might be chances that this may cause any kind of court case or any kind of government issues when you move further with it. So just be very, very careful. So career looks fine, just you have to be a little careful here and there. Like I told you, you have mixed feelings this week, so emotionally you need to be a little on a positive side and try to be happy this week. Relationship, if I see, it is very good, because you will be meeting a lot of people, your grandparents and your family, in whole your family, that is going to bring you the joy. And health looks fine, just emotionally here and there, so you just have to be careful with what thoughts you get. Now we'll go ahead and do Sagittarius. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Sagittarius. For the people born under Sagittarius sign, somewhere, if I see this week is going to be little emotionally down for you. It is not going to be good week, because you are taking too much burden, too much work in your hand that is very difficult for you to handle. So you need to be careful and segregate your work which is important to you, and do that instead of taking so much burden. Whatever decision you make or whatever contracts or anything you sign, you just need to be very, very careful in what you do this week. Any new thing you take, you have to be very, very careful to open your eyes wide and check it out and read every word in the contract, so that you don't make a mistake or don't make a decision that you will regret later on. There are emotional setbacks coming to you this week. I won't say that it's a bad week, but definitely your emotions are not going to be in control this week. So you are going to remain that depressed, or you are going to remain this sad this week, and it is going to cause you some kind of health problem. So just be very careful, because I see depression coming to you. Try to be joyful, try to rest, try to meditate, try to enjoy yourself this week, push yourself out, meet friends. That way this week is going to be better for you. Also, there are people around who are not your well-wishers somewhere, who might be working negatively behind your back. So you have to be careful with those kind of people too. So this week, take it easy, because a lot of burden at work is going to come. You need to segregate your work and see which is important, which is not important for you, and then move ahead. Sign your contracts, do anything, whatever you do, just be very, very careful. Don't do blindfoldedly. I mean to say, don't shut your eyes and move ahead. Open your eyes and see what is coming to you, and then move ahead. Control your emotions, try to be positive, and this week will be fine for you. Your finance is concerned, I don't see any negativity coming your way. So the finance is going to be the same, no decrease or increase in your finance. So now we'll do 3 cards for the people born under the sign Capricorn. So 3 cards for the people born under the sign Capricorn. If I see where your finance is concerned, definitely a growth in the finance. You are going to receive some kind of financial growth this week, so that looks fine. Maybe you might receive some good gift where your finance is concerned this week, so that is a very good sign. But your relationship here needs to be careful, needs to be on the positive side this week, because somewhere I feel that you are walking away from your relationship. Instead of making it better, healing it, there is something that you are feeling that will make you run away from whatever relationship you want. So that's where the emotions will come, and there might be some problems with your emotions, there might be some problem with your relationship. So try to talk out, try to stay with the person you love, a positive person, so that your relationship grows instead of you walking away from it. Also, there is a lot of mood swings that is coming to you this week also. So there will be up and down where your mood swings are concerned, and where your emotions are concerned, like I told you already. So you have to be very, very careful also about your health, because there is a lot of tension and there is a lot of emotional issues that you are going to face this week, and it might cause you minor problems where your health are concerned, like a lot of tension, may cause you a headache, migraine, sinus, or pressure problems, of course. So just be very, very careful about those. So if I see your finance, yes, definitely there is an increase in finance. Relationship, you need to work on your relationship to make it better this week. Where your health is concerned, be careful with your health, because it might cause you minor issues where your head is concerned. And where your career is concerned, it looks like it's going to be normal, nothing too bad or nothing too good. Now 3 cards for people born under the sign Aquarius. People born under the sign of Aquarius, this week is going to be good for you, in a way that whatever work you take in hand, or whatever new subject or new study also, or new work you take in hand, it is going to show you a positive result. But with that, you are also taking a lot of burden this week. It is going to come to you, so you have to be very, very careful to segregate your work and see what is important for you. But whatever you take in hand, whether your career is concerned, where your finance is concerned, where your health is concerned, or where your career is concerned, like I told you, it is going to be a positive. So whatever you start this week, from the Monday, maybe you have a goal that you have set and you need to start that, then you are going to see a positive result coming to you, because the universe is on a positive note for you this week. So definitely it is going to show you that positivity in whatever you do. But be very, very careful about not taking too much burden, because that might cause you an issue where your health is concerned. You might feel your back, related to your back, something, your back is hurting, or maybe something related to your back. So just be very, very careful about your health. Otherwise, this week is very positive. You are blessed from the universe this week, and your relationship, if I see, it looks fine. It is a relationship where a growth is seen, and as it is also, the relationships looks very positive this week, so there shouldn't be any problem coming your way. Now we are going to do 3 cards for Pisces. So pulling 3 cards for people born under the sign Pisces. People born under the sign of Pisces, where your finance is concerned, one hint again the card is giving me is to donate something to the poor people, greedy people, sorry, not greedy people, but donating something to the poor people, and not greedy but needy people who are in need of maybe food, or in the need of a blanket or something like that. Also, this week is something like a dream for you, something like an illusion for you, because you have set up your mind with a lot of things that is going to happen this week. It's something like, acha, it is going to be, I'm seeing this, so I am going to get this, this week. But that might be just an illusion for you. So whatever you're seeing is not whatever you're going to get this week somewhere. So that is an illusion that will be created for you this week. But as far as you remain positive, and as far as you know what you are doing, you should be okay this week. There is a lot of energy where the fertility is concerned coming in this week. So people who are trying to become pregnant, or who are trying for a baby, this week looks a little positive for them. I do see also a female energy, a positive female energy this week, who is going to be somewhere very, very helpful, very, 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 very positive, you can say, this week for you. Also, there is chances of, like I told you, becoming pregnant, or there is a chances of having a baby kind of thing, a birth of a baby, you can say. So those kind of emotions where a woman is concerned is going to come to you this week. So relationship definitely is on a growth this week, but whatever you are going to see or are seeing is an illusion, and you might not get what you had expected from it. Finance, definitely that blockage will be gone once you donate to needy people, poor people, and you will definitely see an increase in your finance. Where your work is concerned, I don't see a major move in your career, so it is going to be the same as it is. So that's it. The reading for this week, that is Monday 25th till the Monday 31st, is done. We will come with our next week's reading, that is the other week after the 31st. The new month is going to start, but till then, stay positive, stay blessed, and do not forget to like my channel and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Stay blessed, stay positive. Love you all.